Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you this blue and purple kind of like smoky eye eyeshadow look using the e.l.f. x JKissa eyeshadow palette. It's all about, hi Lucy, it's all about dogs. So I have the dogs that I have known written out on this palette. It comes with these really cool stickers that you can customize your palette. Yeah, this is what the eyeshadow palette looks like. It's got gorgeous colors and I really love it. The next look I'm going to do with it is going to be a green look. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Please subscribe before you leave and let's just get started. Okay, so I already did one eye off camera. I closed this eye, this one, and I'm going to show you how to do it on my right eye. So I'm using the e.l.f. x JKissa eyeshadow palette. So yeah, I'm just going to be showing you guys this eye look. I'm going to start off with my e.l.f. Putty Eye Primer. This is my favorite primer ever. Excuse my screaming kids, they're very excited about something. Toddlers just get excited at everything, don't they? Since there isn't like a nude or white in this palette, I'm going to use a little white eyeshadow. You don't have to use white, you can use a cream color. Whatever matches your like eyelid color. I'm using the Coastal Scents eyeshadow in the shade Cloud White and this Real Techniques shading brush. Get it everywhere apparently. I'm going to put this on my brow bone and in the inner corner. So then I'm going to use the shade Cannoli, which is this blue, light blue color right here. And I'm going to use the Morphe M562 brush. It's just a really tiny crease blender brush. And I'm going to pack that down into my crease to get the most pigment off. I'm not setting my crease so that way I can pack these eyeshadows down and get the most pigment out of the shadows. So I packed that down, and once I pack it down, I'm going to go back in with the same brush with like no product on it, whatever's left over, and just start buffing the top. And these eyeshadows blend so good. Like, doing this just blends the entire blue color out into the white and just fades it out really nice. We've just got the tiniest, maybe the tiniest hint of color on this brush. And now I'm going to use the Morphe JH39 brush, and it's just this tiny little crease brush. I'm going to use this shade Thatcher, I think is how you say it. And it's this deep, almost like navy blue. It's so pretty. And I'm going to pack this down just in my crease, not in the outer corner, because I want the outer corner to have the purple color. So I'm just packing this down in the tight crease of my eye, so almost doing like a cut crease with it. And I'm just packing that down as well. And then I'm going to go in with some of cannoli and the first brush we used and just kind of buff that out. Now for the lid, which is going to be the showstopper of this whole look, is I'm going to use this color right here, Bailey, which is like a metallic pressed pigment with glitter. It's got like little bits of glitter in it, and it is so gorgeous. It catches the light so well, and it's kind of one of those colors where when you put it on, it kind of reflects whatever is next to it. So I have the purple next to it. It's kind of reflecting off of that and making it look really pretty. And I just blended the two of those in the center of my eyelid, and I feel like it looks gorgeous. It's a pressed pigment. I'm gonna use this flat brush. This is the Morphe M421 brush, and take a lot of that color. And then I'm going to spray the brush, and this is you just use any setting spray. I have the Milani Make It Last, and just wet that shadow, and it just really makes it super pigmented. You can also use your finger for this, but I'm just gonna put this down in the inner lid out to the middle. So out like this. And then right once it gets to the middle of the eyelid, I'm going to stop right there, and I'm going to do the purple. So I've got this Wet n Wild eyeshadow brush. You can get these at Dollar Tree. I'm going to use the color Sadie, which is this like light purple. It's a very interesting color because it's not really just like a basic purple. It's like got a little bit of pink in it almost, I feel like. I'm going to just pack this down onto the center of my eyelid. And then there's this color in here called Confetti, and I'm not going to use a lot, but I'm just going to take some with my finger, and I'm going to blend that right in the center of both eyeshadows just to add like a shimmer to it, to help make sure that these can blend really well together. And I'm just going back in with some of Bailey, and I'm just lightly buffing over those over and over again until I get a perfect little fade. Okay, so I got the blend in the center pretty nice, and now I'm going to use another one of the Wet n Wild little eyeshadow brushes, and I'm going to take the color Pretty Girl right here, which is a dark purple color. It's not really like a regular purple, it's like this really deep dark purple, and I really like it. I'm gonna pack that in the outer corner, which we've been saving for this color. And then I'm going to use this little makeup wipe, that's what it's called. Couldn't remember what it was called for a second. And I'm going to just clean up the bottom right here of the eyeshadow. I'm not going to take it and put it in a really sharp line because I like the way that it blends out into that outer corner area. I don't want it to be sharp at all. I'm gonna be finishing up my eyes now. So I'm gonna start off, I'm gonna fill in the waterline right here and brighten up my eyes. I'm gonna use the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the shade Milk. There we go. That really helps brighten everything up. I'm gonna use the color Sadie, and this is the JH43 brush, and I'm going to put that in the middle portion of my lower lash line right here. And then I'm going to take Pretty Girl on that same brush, and I'm going to put that on the outer corner right here to deepen it up. And I'm going to kind of bring that up and have it connect. I'm going to use my Morphe X Jaclyn Hill JH42 brush, and I'm going to use my face highlight today. This is the Essence My Must Haves eyeshadow single in the shade Snowflake. I'm going to put that in the inner corner of my eye. And then I'm going to highlight right underneath the arch of my eyebrow. And then I'm going to do mascara. I'm going to curl my eyelashes with my e.l.f. eyelash curler. And I'm going to use the Essence Lash Princess mascara. Okay, so this is the completed makeup tutorial on this eyeshadow look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!